I am working through this, so I'm looking at it right now. I'm looking at your sampler, first of all. Your sampler looks like it's set up properly, since you've got 8 free throws. You have your repeated 8. You've got Curry at, let's see, 90% made, 10% missed. That looks good. Now you've got a plot here with no data on it, so I'm just going to delete that. I'm not sure what you're trying to plot with that one, but since there's nothing there, I'm going to get rid of it. I see a history of results here with a 7 on it, but I don't see a result of the sampler anywhere. So I'm going to just delete those and go back to your sampler. So I'm going to run the sampler one time. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to plot the results of that trial. So I'm going to click on that column, drag down my plot, and now I'm going to separate them. So I've got, and I'll click over here to stack, so it's nice and neat. And then click the end to count how many are in each category. And there are 7 made and 1 missed out of this set of 8 free throws. So what I want to do is, since I want to collect the number made, I'm going to click on that, and it puts a box around it. And then I'm going to right-click. If you have a Mac, you'd control-click, and it gives me the option to collect the statistic. So there I collected my statistic. And now, in order to get it to do that whole process again, I'm just going to show you. If I press, it'll do one more trial. If I press collect, it did 8 more free throws. This time 6 were made, and it added the 6 to the table. So to get 100 total, I've got 2. Now I need 98 more. So I'm going to change this and do 98. And press collect. So now what it's going to do is it's going to go through and it's going to do 8 free throws, and every time it's going to tell me how many of the 8 that Steph Curry made, not missed. And once it's done, I'll be able to look and see what would be sort of usual kinds of results for him and what would be unusual for him. Let's see, it's just doing its thing, collecting the statistic. Okay, so now it's finished, it's done its 100 trials, so now I want to look at those results. So I'm going to click on that column in the history of results table and pull down a plot. Click on a dot, drag it to the right to separate. I'm going to stack them up. And then I'm going to look at how many of each result I have with the percentage. So I can see that here I've got 3 times that he made 5 out of 8 free throws. I've got 13 times that he made 6 out of 8 free throws. I have 35 times that he made 7 out of 8 free throws. And 49 times, 49% of the time, he made all 8 free throws. Okay, so there's my results. So hopefully this will help you so that you can go through and do the same process for Dwight Howard. Real key difference is just going to be in how you set up your sampler. I hope this helps you.